You gotta be in it to win it, lady. Keep up to the minute to stay in the race. You wanna be instant and easy and breezy and fun. Price to compete so you beat everyone. Geared for the modern day gal on the run. Your new 1955 face.
No, thank you indeed. Makeup applied in haste. What has become of taste, elegance and class? Quick is not my speed. Easy is seldom so. Would you serve Chateau Margaux in a plastic glass? Ask my clientele. Beauty comes at great expense. Only cut-rate merchants sell blush for 67 measly cents. Secretaries clamor for their movie goddess glamour like a cow stampede. Guess what else they'll need? Benzoyl for the rash from that cheap Max Factor trash.